Hello, okay, and I will be showing you how to make a Lego assault rifle. Yeah, you need one of these pieces and the end of a missile, and just stick it right in there, like that, and then get a hand, like just any color hand, and make sure you put it on where the hand is pointing like kind of diagonally out. That's how I like it, and I will show you how it looks on a minifigure. Wait, never mind. You need it where it points towards you, where the hand points towards you, like this, diagonally towards you, like diagonally towards the handle. And then now I'll show you what it looks like. Shoot, kind of messed up there. Alright. There you go. This is what it looks like on a minifigure. On our mascot right there. Let's stand him up straight. Look around. Like that. And subscribe, please. And like this video.